Che bourré, Elgor Beats, alias le 100%, le 100 poisson, le 100 sur 100 de Moutounene. Moutoutoudé gâteau plus 1, ça fait 3 gâteaux. Madonna, hein? Siento bébé, bébé. Oh lolo, oh lolo, oh lolo, oh lolo.
Hello everyone. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing well. Everyone is doing great and had a wonderful week. I hope trading was better this week, and I hope my prediction did help you make some money. I'm gonna open uh, trading group. Actually, it's actually open already, but then I'm gonna try to provide more signals, more entry signals, okay, from this week, okay, when I can, because I am having a little bit of activities also, and I don't have my phone with me all the time, right? So it's very important that you get into the community. You will have the link in the description. It will be a community, so WhatsApp community. Just click on the link and then you join the community as quick as possible. And with the community, you will see the group also. Right. So that being said, let's jump into the business. Right. So this week, coming from 29th of September to 3rd of October, okay, on AUD USD. Right. So this is what he did exactly as I predicted. You can see on Friday, this is what he did. Fake move weekend. Fake move weekend. It's not begin. Sorry. Let me just make sure. Yes, it's not fake move week begin because it is fake move weekend. So basically, the week is ending. Week is not beginning. Right. So 26th of September at that specific point, and then you can see it climbed all the way from Friday Tuesday. All right. So Tuesday, that's exactly when it ended that. If want to be what's extra precise, you can say it ended that on Wednesday because it went with the M close, or what other people call double top. Okay, to close on Wednesday. All right. So this week, starting from the 7th of October to the 10th of October, okay, on AUD USD, we will not expect anything. Okay, we'll just wait until the market shows us exactly where he wants to go and what he wants to do. Okay, although I might have an idea of what he wants to do. Okay, I am not going to say it now. Okay, and then I'm just going to wait for him to actually do it. From that point, I'm going to be able to see exactly what is what. Okay, so on AUD USD for this coming week, we're just gonna not trade it. Okay, so AUD USD will just be not a trading pair for us this all along this week. Right? You can see since Wednesday is back and forth, is choppy, and then it's not really moving anyway. Right. That being said, we move to the next pair, which is going to be Euro USD. Okay. On that specific pair, we can see that the midweek reversal has hit on the 26th of September. Okay, day one, all the way from 26th to Wednesday, which was the 1st of October here. Pulled back and forth. He hit the stops here. I want to mention something on that specific pair. During the course of the week, I think I received a comment on the previous video which said that he had a sell bias. Okay, this is the sell bias, which is in fact a stop hunt. You can see he's not going anywhere pair. It just goes below this moving average, grab whatever is below that to rise. Okay, so it's stop hunt low, rise. As you can see, stop hunt low, rise. Stop hunt low, rise. Okay, so that's the day two rise, which which he started doing on Thursday here. Okay, and then on Thursday, that sell, you can take that sell. I'm not saying no, but then here's the thing: you don't know exactly how far he is going, so you don't want to take that sell trade. Okay, to find yourself in a very weird position whenever he pulls back and gives you that, because that is the actual trend. This is just a fake move. Okay, this is why it's called the stop hunt, to look for e- everything below that blueberry line here. All right. All the details, I will pack the details. If there's any trading opportunity for this pair this week, we're gonna uh, definitely take it on the buy. All right. So just notice that this week, going from the 7th of October, Monday the 7th of October to the 10th of October, Euro USD will buy. Okay, so we'll have a. This is the day two. It started on Thursday, and then after that, there's a possibility of it climbing, because obviously that's the trend, right? So day two rise. After that day two, we will expect maybe another day three rise, or just a pullback. That being said, I am expecting you to what if you see any opportunity that side, you can take it. You're more than welcome. All right, to the next pair, we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be seeing on GBP USD. All right, so GBP USD for this coming week is pretty much like AUD USD, because on this specific pair, it has given the fake move week end to the end. You can see from the 26th of September, this side, all the way up. That's a fake move week end. He ended the week here on the 1st of October for this specific pair, GBP USD. Okay, so this entire week, there's nothing to expect on that specific pair. The only thing that is going to be doing is back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, with no clear direction. All right, so we should not take anything on this specific pair. It's very important to respect those instructions, because if you take them and then you just lose, that is not gonna be what a good thing. Even me, I'm not gonna be happy. Okay, but then there's nothing that I will be able to do, because obviously you would have lost already. Right, so fake move weekend all the way up here. Right. That being said, when once that is done, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, until the new week starts. Okay, on GBP USD right now, he is in the accumulation mode. When the new week will start, we'll have an idea, and therefore we will know exactly what he 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 will be doing. So you can see the fake move from here all the way up here. So this is a fake move week end, all the way to that specific part here. After that, there's USD CAD, and I want to be uh, 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 what more careful with the USD CAD. So USD CAD last week, Friday, I did tell you, well, when the video got released, I did say and I did mention that this pair this week was going to go and sell. All right. So that being said, you can clearly see what happened. On Friday, it pulled back. The midweek reversal was set here. Okay. Set. Monday, nothing happened. Tuesday, nothing happened. Wednesday, nothing happened. Thursday, only Thursday, he went exactly where I said he was going to go, hit the stops here, okay, pulled back, accumulated, and then started dropping. Exactly what I said, that's exactly what he did. You can see the stop band here, above this line, above there, pulled back, accumulated, and straight away down. That's exactly what it did. So this now, the midweek reversal is here. This is day one drop, day two drop, day three drop. Okay, most probably to this point here, if not further down. All right, that is very, 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 very much important. All right, so that being said, we're gonna move on to the next pair. Next pair is going to be USD CHF. USD CHF is pretty much in the same movement than USD CAD. Okay, the fake move has started here on Thursday. Okay, I just want to mention something or say something out loud. When the main pairs is not moving, it simply means that the side pairs are moving. I'm going to take an example here. You see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, almost Thursday, American time. So for about 4 days, the main pair was not moving. It simply means that the side pair was moving. He holds when he holds one price. I mean, once he holds one price, okay, he hold it here for the side. If you go and check, you will see pairs like EuroCAD moved, GBP CAD moved, AUD CAD moved. Okay, when he hold here, it's for the side pair to move. Okay, this we're gonna talk about it deeper, in a deeper video that I will do, most probably by the mid of this month. Okay, so that being said, let's go on to USD CHF. USD CHF, basically, it is Thursday, 25th of September. It peaked here. It peaked here, and then it started dropping. Day three. See, back and forth, 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 back and forth. It was supposed to climb and come here also, but then it found enough money drop just above there to drop, considering the fake move weekend. So when that one drops as the fake move weekend, okay, we can't really take this one. Okay, so for the coming week also, it's just going to be fake move weekend. There's nothing to take on USD CHF, right? Especially this week. So nothing that we need to take for that one. So USD on USD CHF this week, not expect any any movement or any not. Let me correct this. There will be a movement which is going to be a sell movement, but don't take it because it's the end of the week. Let's wait for the new week to start in order to be able to take trades. All right. So let's go to the next pair, which is going to be USD JPY. So USD JPY is as you can see, that's exactly what it did. Exactly same move down. I was expecting also it to come here, but then it just went down. Okay, as a fake move weekend, and you can see huge fake move all the way down here and then back here. You can see it ends the week on the 1st of October. Okay, fake move weekend, which was expected, and that's exactly what it gave. Also, this week, the how do you call it? USD JPY. There's nothing much to expect from that. Okay, so let's wait for the new week to start on this specific. How do you call it? On this specific pair, USD JPY. Then that is going to be the next one and the last one, NZD USD. Okay, fake move weekend. Just that here he has not done, he's not done as yet. I think he will want to push it a little bit further up. Okay, fake move weekend. We can take levels also, but then I don't want you guys to take levels because it's very important for us to know exactly what to take, when to take them. Okay, so fake move weekend, as you can see, from Friday 26th, yeah, all the way up. I think he wants to go a little bit up here. Order for him also to close. its week. Okay, so technically I can say that this week we only have 2 pairs that we're gonna look at, which is USD, okay, for the day 2, maybe day 3, or so forth, and USD CAD on the main pairs. All right. That being said, I think that is done concerning the weekly trading analysis. All right. But then now I want to show you this. Okay. And this, it's a it's a spreadsheet that I have. Okay. I will be what help showing you first how it works, and then after that you will be able to see if you want to use it or not. Just contact me. I'll see how I can send it to you. All right. So it's a spreadsheet that I made myself to help understanding exactly where I am and what to take. So, for example, I'm going to take one example. Okay, USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD is on the midweek reversal. Okay, and the direction is the sell. Is giving day 1 drop. Okay, the value of the ADR. ADR stands for average daily range. Okay, on average, how much pips it gives. That's basically what it is. That's what ADR stands for. So ADR is about 54 pips. Okay, 3 times ADR is 163 pips. Okay, and the midweek reversal started from 39.86, 139.86. So the direction, what we need to expect is stop and high drop. It started from the 2nd of October. Now, let me show you exactly what it means. This is the midweek reversal, okay, here. So what I was expecting is stop and high drop. Let me say that again. What I was expected is stop and high. That's what it means. So this is just a way for me to know that, okay, this from there it's gonna stop. From there it's gonna reverse. From there it is supposed to do that. From there it will do that. From so then it will do that, and so on and so back and so forth. Okay, once it reach, as you can see, USD JPY, okay, it reached the ADR, which basically means that on USD JPY here it has reached the end. So that's how I know that it is done for him. Okay, it is done for him here. So that being what said, we need now to expect the new cycle. Okay, as you can see here, this is what he did. USD JPY. Okay, very much important. All right, guys. I hope I did something fruitful for you. Very much important. I hope to hear from you very soon. And I wish you a wonderful trading week, even though we don't have much pairs to trade this coming week. All right. So that being said, have a wonderful trading week. And then I am expecting you to join the community, which I'm going to post the link in the description of this video. Okay. That being said, have a wonderful week. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.
Tchebouré, Elgor Beats, alias le 100%, le 100 x 100, le 100 sur 100, le tout des gâteaux plus 1, ça fait 3 gâteaux. Madonna, hein? Siento bébé.